What's going on? So today we're going to be replacing our motion sensor light with this from Amazon, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Make sure you turn the power off wherever it is. Can't turn this one off. Comes right out of the meter, no breaker on it. Yeah, a little scary, but make sure you turn power off if you can. So we're just going to hurry and unscrew that one. You might have one right there, but this one's missing on this one. We got that started. Gonna your gum ground, and you got your pot right there, and your other ground. Just gonna disconnect these. Make sure you don't touch anything with them. A good thing to do is to put the wire nut back on, just so you don't have to worry about any of the wires touching, anything like that. Now we're gonna pull this one out. We're gonna have your green. It goes to the green screw, of course, and then the white and black goes white and black. So I went ahead and installed this one. Had to use a factory, or the last one, and I'm missing one because the ones it came with were all too small to go in here. So just gonna use the old one, and I'm gonna have to buy a new one for that. Gone ahead, put this gasket on, so now it's nice and sticky. And make sure your hole lines up. Alright, we're now gonna take this up there and wire it up. Make sure you hold on that, don't drop it. I'm gonna put on the new wiring nuts, so. Alright, as soon as I did this, the light immediately turned on, and then it just turned off again. So here it is again. Yeah, I think it's super freaking bright. So now we're gonna tuck everything back in. Oh, there you go. You just gotta kind of angle it so that's facing where you're wanting it, and set your dials to whatever your preference is. And then I angled these so they're kind of shining that way, and that one's shining over there. Yay! So here comes the testing period, and I will leave down in the description in a couple weeks from now just to let you know how much I'm liking them. I will edit it and redo it just for your faces.